creeper.
Punta ka sa, sa portal.
Use quick play yan. So, we're gonna play Skywars today.
And
Yes!
we're here.
And I'm crap in the... I hate this map. Lagi ako namamatay dito. Oh, please, no. What the heck?
It is done.
Why can I...
I-ano mo. Idurog mo. Idurugin mo. The flying is not enough on this
I'm
side.
not flying. And I am borrowing. This is Minecraft. Yes, ang dumi niya.
I'm just gonna kick
Where's your dog?
Run.
Where's the dog?
No. Wala.
Where's the dog? Wait. I no. Yabio. So, anyways, I'm not flying. Can I fly? No. See, I'm not flying, see? See, dude's kissing. Oh, look. I thought it was Undyne. Akala ko si Undyne. So, where, join. I'm joining this. Oh, no. It already started. What the? So, yes, I love this map. And I forgot how to play Skywars. Not that much. Faster. And yeah.
Say nga naman yung chicken.
Use hindi. Kung ko gagamitin yung chicken.
And sa cheese.
Use, hindi lahat kinukuha. Kung yun yung ginagawa mo, mali yun.
Ako ginagawa ko.
Mali na.
Sa inventory mo yun.
Oo, alam ko syempre.
Diba worthy here. And pati rin yung sword mo.
Use, alam ko, marunong ako mag-Skywars. Chest, big. So, I'm gonna hide here forever. Maybe, no, maybe not. At last. So, yeah, enter this. So, boring stuff. Black Lantern!
Hello, guys. The Red Creeper shown.
So, I'm having a lousy night. Yes, gabi nga. Tingnan mo sa labas. Oh, wow, gabi. Cheers. Pangalan niya ay The Cool Steve. Wow, galing yung pangalan. Thematic.
Hindi sa kanya yung skin na yan, ha? The Red
Oh.
Creeper yung skin.
Siyempre, creeper na eh. Hindi man yung creeper eh.
Locating circle.
Look at the poopy.
Look at the poopy.
Ow!
Tinatch ko yung tail niya.
Yan ka pa, drawing ka! Hey, Mr. Poopy. What you doing, Mr. Poopy? So, waiting. 1 hour after. Ouch.
Baka sabihin, baka kailangan niya si Poopy.
Tapos, wag masakit, please.
What word?
Snowman map. No. I'm bad at this. Yes, marunong ako dati. Ang galing-galing ko dito dati eh. Ngayon, hindi.
No! Ayun, there's a cave.
Hindi cave ang tawag dito. Yes, arrows!
You can take it. Wala naman meron eh. Yung all.
Yes, may mga naglalakad siya. Yes, I had gold! I have gold! So let's wear it. Where's my gold? I'm so easy.
Sana merong boots ka. Kaso wala.
Jumping is good, isn't it? Tapping it.
Mika.
I got a diamond. I got a diamond. So can I just enter? Wala namang papalapit. I got a diamond. Yes, ang pangat ng skin mo. Grabe. But, kailangan ko pa ng isang diamond. So, let us...
Hi, Snow Golem.
Let us...
Yeah,
Just kill it, please.
Just kill.
Wait lang. Paakyat na siya. Heck, it's just a weirdo. Legend newbies. I know.
Napatay mo na siya.
Hindi pa. Wala na ako.
Cheating.
Hindi siya nag-cheat. Normal yun. Ganun talaga ang bed wars is. Oh man, I don't have another air. It just bold.
Tariq was killed by Bold.
Void. Sige labanan tayo, noobish. Let's kill that dude. Let's go to his place. Oh look, there's a noob.
Red Power
Wait, Ios, meron doon.
Ranger was killed by Bond.
It looks like I got a diamond sword, eh? I got an arrow sword. Arrow sword?
Iano mo na siya, Arrow.
Wala na akong arrow. Biglang nag-glitch, Ius. Hindi ako makagalaw kanina, nakita mo.
Ha?
Killed by Void.
Why are you? I-kill mo siya. Jed was killed by Tat.
Bad girl, so you're a bad girl, are you? Bad girl ka pala eh.
Kill mo siya.
Hindi pwede.
Bakit?
Siyempre. Airport.
Non-VIP players can join a game right after login.
No! Yes, na ako nag-join. Ewan ko yung bakit.
Guess the cool Steve.
The chest.
The cool Steve.
Oh, there's a flying!
Ipis. Alis na tayo dito.
No way! Yaman yan mga ngagat eh. Pag sinaktan mo. Iyos, dito ka lang.
Paano kapag lumipad siya? Tapos pwede ka, kung na ba kayo yan?
Lumilipad!
Lumilipad na ipis.
Sabi na huwag naman kayo sumigaw eh. Baka masigawan kayo ng Uncle Jojo, no? Nalulugod.
I'll kill that
Pwede
dude.
na yung hotdog na yan.
Flying ipis.
Iyos, papatayin ko yung lalaki na yun. I know.
Huwag ka sumigaw. Sayos.
Yung mo sigaw. Ipis. Wala na?
Wala na, Iyos.
Get yung squared. Baka pumunta sa ears ko.
Ha?
Mm-mm.
Pumunta lang yun sa ears ng mga balo.
Hey, you have bow.
Iyos, huwag mo idikit sa kamay ko naman. May arrow. Ba't hindi ko nakita yun? Nahulog. Nahulog eh. Iyos, huwag mo idikit. Yeah.
Bakit may void? At ano yung ang void?
Pag nahulog. Let's climb up here. Let's climb up here. Let's climb up here. Let's get stuff. Let's get stuff. La 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 fish.
Pati na yung iba pang chest.
Oh, yes, nakikita. Boring stuff. I got an egg. I'm gonna put a chicken.
May iba pa. Dami mong gamit ha. Hindi nakaalam.
Mga boring stuff hindi ko kukunin.
That's more hours and hours I've been waiting.
Use yung ano hotdog. Huwag mo idikit sa akin, please.
Ano yun?
Crafting table. Oh, let's look at this bowl. Oh. Yeah. Hey, boy. Hey, boy. Why can't I tap it? Tap it. Why can't I tap it?
Siya.
Hindi. Wow, Iyo, snob ka talaga, no? Tayo mong lumapit. And fight me, boy.
Ay, magagalit pa lang siya. Wag! Baka si Avatar yun.
Iyos, bali mo ka na, no? Iyos yung hotdog mo dikit ng dikit sa akin.
Siguro si Beth lang
Wow!
yun.
So, guys, next episode 2, you little boo. So, like, subscribe to my channel, Fia Gamer, Loki, and this Mr. Ipis na naglalakad sa sayag. And, don't forget to put thumbs up. Tap that subscribe button. Kasi lagi akong mag-upload. Bye!